What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Galaxy S25 Ultra that won't connect to a Wi-Fi network. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone and Wi-Fi router. So to restart the phone, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on this restart option, and then again click on the restart icon to confirm. And to restart the Wi-Fi router, unplug the Wi-Fi router and then plug it in back again, and then the Wi-Fi will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is reset network settings. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings, and then again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, again reconnect to your Wi-Fi network, and this time the Wi-Fi issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.